Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a thumbnail with AI using vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead and access the tool in the left panel. Just make sure to log in with your vidIQ account. Now go to scroll down and find thumbnails. Just click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you'll have three options or three ways to prompt the AI. Okay. So first up, you can go ahead and upload a video. Just drag and drop your video right here inside the tool, or you can go ahead and paste the URL from an unlisted video or a public video. Okay. And the third option is that you can type a text description right here in the box if you don't have the video content yet. So for this example, I'm just going to be using this video right here. I'm just going to copy the link and then I'm going to paste it just like so. As you can see here we now have the video. And then you can just basically click on generate. Okay. Just wait for it to load, and the AI right here will intelligently scan your content or idea and present you with several ready-made thumbnail options in seconds. Now, once you have the results right here, you can basically select the thumbnail and tweak it however you want. Okay? You can just modify the thumbnail using simple text prompts. For example, make the background brighter. Okay? As you can see here, it's pretty awesome. I might download this one right here and change the specific thumbnail in my video. So go ahead and click on download if you want to. Save it wherever you want. Change the title. Save. And then after that, you can click on the three dots, remix it if you don't like it, or add prompts. Okay. Now, if you are under YouTube Studio, you can go ahead and scroll down, all the way down, until you find the thumbnails. Okay. You can go ahead and click on Quick Generate right here, and then just wait for it to load. You'll be able to see the results right here as well. Here we have the generated thumbnail. You can go ahead and use this one as well. So that's basically it. That's how you make a thumbnail with AI using vidIQ. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.